everyone. So here is lab 7, which is similar to lab 6 except some changes. So here I'm going to explain you some changes which I have made in index.html. That is, I have changed heading for the web page. That is, this page were built using grid layout, and also I had just changed this div which was after this div in previous lab, and now it is above the div class container. So here is the output. And also I had made necessary changes in projects.html. So in projects.html I had given link to group 8 lab 7. So by clicking on image p5 png, it will redirect to the link which belongs to group 8 lab 7. So here I'm going to show you output for that. So here I'm clicking on project, then group 8 lab 7. So this will redirect to the new page, new tab, that is group 8 lab 7. So further part of the lab will be explained by my partners. Thank you.
Hi everyone. So my friend just explained the HTML code for the project that we have created for the portfolio, and now I'm going to explain the style, which is the CSS file. So most of the CSS that we have created is same as earlier, like there are no major style changes in the portfolio that we created and the last one. So most the changes that we made is about the grid. So wherever we use the flex layout in the last project, we have used a grid in this one. So first of all, this is the container which we have styled using the grid, and we have gained the ID of container grid to this div class container. So all the styles that are applied to that container are here, and we have given it a display of grid and template columns of 1 frame and 2 frame, which basically means that the image will take 1/3 of the portion of the web page of the total width of that div, and the text written here will take about 2/3 of that portion. And other than that, we have used grid in the project page as well. So we'll navigate to the projects page now. So yes, this is where I've used grid. So the first image and then the heading of that lab. So when I will click it, it opens up in a new tab, like the repository that we have created for it. And the last one is still to be made, but yes, this is the image and this is the heading for that image, for that link, and it is given here using the grid layout. And other than that, I've used grid in the contact us page as well, like right here, like the image and the text besides it are sit there using the grid element that we have given. And yes, so that's basically it. Now my friend will explain the JavaScript part of the code, and yes, thank you so much.
Hi guys, myself Chintan Trivedi, and now I'm gonna explain about JavaScript code. So basically in JavaScript, I have created two variables, btn and navbar, and I fetch with the ID button and navbar, which is already given in the HTML page. First function is for the email validation. In the email validation, I made a one function on form submit, and which will redirect. I have already given on submit method in the HTML file. So that function basically works like I have given one regular expression in that, and that regular expression doesn't include any white space, and the regular expression must include @ and dot. That's the email validation I have given, and it will display error message if it not matches with the regular expression as I have given in if else condition. So that's the first function, and we can see in the design as well, like if I entered a wrong data, then it shows that the email is invalid. The second function is for the button, navbar button, which I included. Basically that button is you can see here, this is the 3 arrow button over here. I made the design is like that, 3 arrow button and the cross button. What I have done in the function is, first of all, I made a if else condition. In that one, I made a escape button.inner.html. Escape will basically encode the code and matches with the %u 2630. If it matches, then it will display a cross instead of 3 arrow, and the navbar will be visible to full screen like 100 VH. And in else condition, when the user clicks on cross, then it will show like a home page that 3 arrows and the navbar will be hidden and height will be 0. That's all about JavaScript code. Thank you so much.